So I 3D printed the headlamp and tail light for Trackmaster models with good details, tail lamp and headlamp. Now, I did a. I tried to organize this like in set for 10 engines, which include headlamp and tail lamp. And also was thinking maybe why not to list. I'm not doing a lot of this. I'm just gonna make a few. A whole batch, which is about for 60 engines or for 10 engines. Let me know in the comments. A quick show. Um, this has a one size hole for all these Trackmaster models. I haven't tried on Revolutions or the other models yet, but once it's painted, you can just glue it and you have a good upgrade on your engines. Remember, I'm just doing small runs. See, I have a problem that I create a lot, but I barely have time to list them. And sometimes I ask you ahead, so probably I could think about it and create. But since I try to create, see, I haven't listed this. I haven't had listed this or lady. I mean, I have no time. But anyways, but quick question, like I said, for 10 engines, or should I list for 10 engines, or should I list for like a 60 engines headlamp taillights?